Hello, beauty. Welcome back again. I'm your girl, Khadija Ahmad. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Guys, I have this simple, natural look, a makeup that you do that they cannot identify your skin and makeup. A very naked and natural makeup you can do day by day. You can see I apply the moisturizer and I blend it. Remember, any skin prep you apply, make sure they dry on your skin before applying another one. Then I go in with my vitamin C serum, and now I'm putting on this primer. Yes, I'm putting on this primer. Yeah, I blend it. I like using my hand whenever I'm making myself up. Whenever I'm making myself up, I like using my hand because I use it to blend it to my own satisfaction. Yes, always make sure that any makeup you wear should stay. You can see I'm using my hand to demonstrate for you. But I have standing fan beside me. Yeah, and I go in with that Mary Kay foundation. Yes, look at. I love this foundation. It's full coverage and it blend very well. Yeah, it blend. If you can get the color of your shade, you will love it. Yes, I recommend this Mary Kay foundation because I'm enjoying it. It gives me whatever I want. I go in with that concealer. Yes, just watch my hand and see. Yeah, I'm going to use it to highlight those places. Yes, look at, see the way I'm blending my concealer out. Yeah, when I get to my cheek there, I raise my hands up. Just watch closely. Yes, I I raise my hand up because I want to lift my face. Yes, look at, when you do it this way, you like the makeup. Yeah, you like wearing makeup. Look at, yeah, look at, I lift my face up. Yes, yeah, look at. Yeah, going in with that my lipstick. Yeah, pick one color there for my blush. Yes, I also use darker color to contour. Look at the way I'm blending it. Yeah, whenever I'm blending, I lift my hand up. Yes, because that is when you like your makeup. Look at it. It blends well. Look at, no harsh line, and don't put too much. Yes, look at, and I'm setting the areas I apply the concealer. Look at, and I'm using the shade of my powder to dust the excess out. Look at, I'm brushing the excess out. Look at, look at it. No harsh line. Yeah, I'm going to use that primer. Yes, to use it as my eyeshadow base. Yeah, I'm using that primer as my eyeshadow base. Yes, look at it. Yeah, very, very simple and easy. You can make yourself up. You mustn't wait for makeup artists all the time. Yeah, you are going to office, you make yourself up. Look at, so simple. I use three shade of color of eyeshadow there. Yes, look at, just watch me. In process of this makeup, NEPA interrupt the power. Yeah, I have to move from the position I was close to the window. Now I am using natural light here. You can see how the makeup look at my skin. I'm not using ring light. Yeah, I'm not using anything here. Look at it. Look at, very simple. You can make yourself up. Just have to try. Then I want my lips to be natural. I want natural lipstick. Yes, I'm using that black shade of the dark. I think this color brown, the color brown of lipstick to line the lip. Look at this classic lipstick. Yes, the way I am by it, very simple. That's very simple and unique. I'm loving it. Yes. Now I've started sweating. Yeah, I'm using that eye pencil Davis in color three. Yes. Look at so quick. Yeah, you don't need to waste all your time looking for a makeup artist. You can do it yourself. But if you need me, I'm there for you. I travel all over Nigeria. Yes, I travel all over Nigeria. When you book me, I'll come. Yes. Look at set it with setting powder. Guys, check this. Check this bronzer. Little goes a long way. Very little goes a long way. Yes. I'm using my Android phone. The phone is not even doing justice to this my makeup. I swear, it's not doing justice to this my makeup. But how will I do? I'll keep on using managing it until I have money to buy a better phone or a camera. Look at I'm contouring my nose. Look at just want to look very simple. Don't want a shouting makeup. Check my face out. Just see it. You cannot even tell about this makeup and my neck. It look the same thing. Yeah, I'm going in with eyeshadow color blue. Look at my skin. Check my neck and look at my face. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.